Okay, welcome once again. Today we're touring this 5-bedroom detached duplex right here in Ikate. This house is sitting on 400 square meters, comes with the governor's consent and the building approval is available. Now it has a fully fitted kitchen, a cinema room, a rooftop terrace, and also comes with a BQ. The swimming pool comes with a gazebo for your relaxation, and this house is pleasing to look at. No, they say when you see good soup, you go see am from the face. You go look very fine. This house looks very fine. So come with me. Let's tour this house. So, but before I go inside and show you everything you need to know about this lovely edifice, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. Take a moment to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this lovely house, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video on my channel. So let's not wait much of your time. Let's go into the business of the day. Okay, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today we're touring this 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in Ikate. Before going in, let me show you the environment so you can see for yourself that this is a serene environment, well secured. We have a security gate just down there. So it's a closed. So you have a security gate down there that offers security. So it's very, very secured. It's something you should consider getting. Okay, so it's a 2-unit. We have this unit and this unit, but for the sake of this video, we are touring this one right in front of me. Is a 5-bedroom, comes with a swimming pool, a fully fitted kitchen, a gazebo, a rooftop terrace, and a boys quarter. So it's in the market for 750 million naira. Okay, so let's go inside and show you what we have right here. Okay, so stepping inside, you have a compound space that can take up to 4 cars conveniently. You can take 2 SUVs and 1 smaller car. And see, it's quite spacious because this house is sitting on 400 square meters, so it's quite spacious, and the rooms are spacious. It's like very, very spacious. Okay, so you have a security house by this side. So you have a security house by this side, and you have your flower pot. So you have where you can do a little bit of greenery. So you can plant your flowers just to beautify the house. Okay, so before entering inside, I'll go around the compound and show you what we have right here. Okay, so let me take this way, go around the compound, then show you what we before going inside the house proper for you to see the interior of the house. So let's walk down. So see, you can see the side of the house. It's quite beautiful, nice architectural work. You see the space between the wall and the building. It's quite spacious. You can move in, and it offers you good ventilation. You have enough space, your walkway. Okay, so this is your boys' quarter. Remember I told you it comes with a BQ. So this is your BQ. So you can make use of, since you have a security gate, your security guy can sell, you can rent this out to someone. Okay. So this is your swimming pool area. So you have a lovely gazebo right here for your relaxation. And so on, this is your pool area. Pools is quite sizable. Not the, yeah, it's quite sizable, so you can see the pool from this. Okay, so you have your scaffolding right here for your tanks. You have actually 4 tanks, 2 supplying water this side and 2 supplying water the next building. Okay. Okay, so it's in the pool area. Let's walk down inside the house. But before I go in, let me show you. I have another entrance. This place is another exit from the kitchen. So you can only open it from the inside. You can only open it from the inside, the way it's being designed. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so we are back right in front of the compound. Okay, so before going in, let me just show you the aesthetics. Okay, so stepping in, you are greeted with this staircase, mini staircase. Now you have this beautiful security door, comes with the biometric control. So this right here is your ante room. Okay, so you have your guest room by this side. All rooms are en suite. So this is your guest room. So this is your toilet and bathroom. Okay, so over here you have your guest toilet. Okay, this is your living area. So you have a window by this side. I also have two other windows over there. So I wanted you to see your living area from this angle. See, it's quite spacious. So we have this TV console, floor ceiling TV console. It's a beautiful chandelier. Okay, so you have this beautiful mirror design. It's actually the smart home, so you can control the appliances in the house via that control panel. Okay, so you have a window right here. I also have another window right here. So this section is your dining area. So you have these beautiful cabinets right here. And by this side, this is your kitchen. See how beautiful it is. You love the design. So we have a kitchen island, a heat extractor, a microwave, a gas burner, and a double volume refrigerator. Okay, so you have lots and lots of cabinet spaces. You have this glass pantry. You can put your wares. Yours also comes with a washing machine, a double volume sink with lovely facets. So this window you can see who's at the swimming pool from the kitchen, and also the house comes with a CCTV camera for additional security and monitoring. Okay, so one thing I love about this kitchen island is it comes with this bowl, this kitchen bowl, and this is the facet. Lovely design. So you can put on your tap right here, then control how the water comes out. So this door takes you outside the compound, and also the kitchen comes with a store room to store your foodstuffs. Okay, so we've seen the living area and the kitchen. Let's see the rest of the room. This is a 5 bedroom, um, fully detached, sitting on 2 floors. Comes with a rooftop terrace. Okay, so this is your lovely suspended staircase. Comes with a motion sensor light. So by this side is beautified with this flute panel design. Beautiful colors, lovely design. So this is your first floor. So let's check out the rooms by this side. Before checking out the rooms, checking out these other rooms. Okay, so you have a family lounge right here. Have this beautiful mirrored design on the wall. So you have one room here, you have another room right here. Okay, so let's check out this room. So the rooms comes with inbuilt speaker, can play music and listen to good music anywhere you are. The rooms are quite spacious. I love this, it's quite spacious. So you have this section where you have your wardrobe. So you have this space to yourself. By this side, you have your toilet and bedroom. So every toilet and bedroom comes with a water heater. Okay, so let's check other rooms. So room number two, same design. Comes with an inbuilt speaker. Have your space for the wardrobe. This is your bathroom. Okay, so let's check the last room on this floor. So we have this walkway right here. So, so this is the third room on this floor. The closet area and the bathroom. So it's suspended WC. Okay, so let's check other rooms upstairs. Sitting on 2 floors. So this is the first floor. Let's check out the last floor. Okay, so this is the last floor. So it also comes with a cinema. This is the cinema room. And you also have toilet, bathroom right here. So, okay, so let's check out the open terrace before going into the master's bed. So everywhere has a Bluetooth speaker. See how beautiful this open terrace is. So you can use this for your evening relaxation. You want to throw a mini party, know. Okay, so let's head over to the master's bed. So this is your master's bedroom. See how spacious it is. So you have a kitchenette also. So if you don't want to go downstairs to prepare anything, so you can just do some light meal, prepare some light meal right here. Okay, so this is your walk-in closet. Your walk-in closet have enough space for your clothing, your shoes, your jewelry, your wristwatches. Okay, so let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so just call the number and let's book for a private home viewing and we can take it up from there. So thank you for watching this video to the very end.